Welcome back, viewers. In the last video, we have seen the installation of Mate Desktop. Now we have to remove the Gnome Desktop and the Budgie Desktop to experience the pure Mate desktop experience in the next video, where we will do the review of the Mate Desktop of EndeavourOS Artemis. So let us start. First, in the session, you have to choose the Mate Desktop, and then we will log in and then remove the Gnome and Budgie desktop. If you log in into the Gnome or Budgie desktop, then the installation will not be properly done and some of the packages will be left over, and then you will have a mess. So best is to log in into the new desktop that is installed and then remove the older desktop that you want to remove. So now you have to log in. Okay, so now first thing what I will do is I will just go and then I will check. Okay, the terminal is there. Just a moment. Yes, I want to, but here also. Okay, we'll go into preferences, hardware. Yes, so the display is there. I will change the display resolution. Now it is okay. Keep this configuration, close. We will not check out the desktop right now. First we will uninstall all the things. So we will open the terminal here. Okay, so which terminal is this? It is the Gnome terminal. So better if any other terminal is there, we will use that, because we want to remove the Gnome terminal completely. Okay, yes, the Mate terminal is there, so better to use the Mate terminal. Okay, so this is the Mate terminal. Now I will show you how to do it. So first let us go back. So now while installing the Budgie desktop, we had used the sudo pacman -s Budgie desktop and the sudo pacman gnome, because Budgie is very minimal. It doesn't have any extra packages and most of it is based on the gnome technology. So we can use the gnome applications in Budgie desktop comfortably. So we had also used this command sudo pacman -s gnome. So now what we will use, and the gnome was installed like this. So we will use a hybrid command. So first copy this. Now go back to your virtual machine. Here, yes, first I will have to change the font color if it is possible. Okay, setting is there. Color is very light. Profile preferences, yes, highlight. Okay, yes, colors is there. So background color. Okay, palette, we can use this green. This green will be striking. Okay, let us see if anything. I will remove this. Yes, so now we will have green on black, so that is quite good visible. Okay, so this is good. Now we will paste the command that we have copied. Sudo pacman dpin extra and extra. Okay, now we will again go back here, and then sorry, we had okay, sorry, we done some mistake. Copy, go back to the, remove this dpin is already removed, -rs, and then we'll paste this. Okay, Budgie desktop. Now we will go back again here. Yes, now we have to choose this gnome and gnome extras. So go back to the virtual machine, right click, paste, and then again go back, go to the gnome terminal. Yes, and then choose this also. So gnome extra is also installed, so that will remove this, the gnome desktop completely. So in one go we are uninstalling two desktops along with the extra applications. So now you have to just enter, supply your sudo password. Okay, so Gnome Extra is not there. So anyway, we'll remove this. Kaja, okay. Reviewing Yelp breaks. Okay, okay, okay. So what we will do is, let us first uninstall Budgie Desktop. Okay, so Budgie Desktop is uninstallable. So Budgie Desktop is now uninstalled. What now we will do is, we will try to now uninstall the Gnome. Okay, so it does not satisfy the. So what we can do, we can just keep the Gnome Desktop. It won't matter that much, because this GVFS is required for the Kaja, and Yelp is the required by Mate user guide. So let us keep the Gnome Desktop as it is. There are methods to remove that also, but it will be take too long. Let the Gnome Desktop, or we can, what we can do is, let me check. Yes, so checking Arc, also the Arc theme also requires the Gnome theme standard for the Mate desktop. So let us keep the Gnome desktop like that is. Otherwise, it will take too long to go and uninstall the application packages one by one. So I will stop the video here, and there is some update notifier is also there. So what we will do is, I will now close this. We have uninstalled the Budgie desktop. We have kept the Gnome desktop because of the dependencies. So otherwise, if we go installing, uninstalling, and then one by one, it will take too long. I will just keep the Gnome desktop. I will close this. Now there is some updates are there. So let us check out. What we can do is, we go there, go back to the sudo pacman dash syu, input the commands. Okay, now there are some warnings are also there. So started full system upgrade, resolving dependencies, warning insufficient columns available for the table display. Okay, so these are the packages I think that will be updated. 413 MB of the updation is there. Total install size is 1147.48 MIB. So do you want to proceed with the installation? Yes. This way you will get the feel of the latest and greatest packages available for the different desktops. So the desktop experience will be fresh. That is why particularly I have tried out all the desktops from the EndeavourOS, because EndeavourOS is based on Arch, and Arch has the latest packages that are released for the different applications, including the desktops. So you can know exactly in what desktop, what exact developments and features are available in their latest avatar. So you can choose between the desktops for your personal usage. Okay, so the update is complete with some errors. So we will revisit the errors. So these are the errors. I think 6-7 errors are there. So some packages could not be downloaded. So we have to run the update command again. So that will reinstall the packages with error command. Okay, there was some mistake. Some of the keys are not working properly in my laptop. Okay, so I think the update is complete. Yes, you can see here 27 occurrence, but still it was showing some error. Okay, anyways, the installation of the update is complete. We have removed the Budgie Desktop and did not remove the Gnome Desktop because there were some dependencies with the Mate Desktop. So with that, I will stop the video here. In the next video, we will do the review of the Mate Desktop of EndeavourOS Artemis. See you in the next video.